We guide you through how to fix PayPal to Apple Pay not working. So the first thing you need to do is to open your PayPal account and make sure your account is fully verified and active. Next, check if your region supports Apple Pay and confirm that your PayPal account is eligible to be linked. Then open your wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus icon, and try adding PayPal again. If it doesn't not work, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version and ensure you have stable internet connection. You should also remove any existing PayPal connection from Apple Wallet and add it back from the scratch. After that, sign out of your PayPal account, sign back in, and check for any account restrictions or security alerts that may be preventing the connection. If the issue continues, clear the PayPal app cache if available, reinstall the PayPal app, and restart your device from before trying again. And finally, if none of this solution works, contact PayPal customer support or Apple support for further assistance.